Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to set up an Amazon household in just 5 minutes. Whether you want to share Prime benefits with family or simply want to make managing your household's Amazon accounts easier, this step-by-step tutorial walks you through the entire process. To get started, open your web browser and head to Amazon.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, locate the Sign In button found in the upper right-hand corner. Click it to open the login interface. If you do not have an account yet, you must register one before you can proceed. Next, you will see a field to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Amazon account, and then click the Continue button. Following this, you will be prompted for your password. Enter it, and click the Sign In button to access your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed back to the Amazon homepage. At the top of the screen, find the menu labeled Accounts and Lists and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Account option to reach your main account management page. On this screen, scroll down until you find the section titled Your Amazon Family. Clicking this link will take you directly to the Amazon Household Settings. Here, you will see a button labeled New. Click it to begin adding new members to your household. You now have the choice to click either Add Adult or Add Child, depending on who you want to include. For adding an adult, click on the Link option. After that, you will be asked to provide the name of the person you want to add. Continue by typing in their email address. This step is vital because Amazon will send them a formal invitation to join your group. After you have entered the required information, click on Agree and Continue. This brings you to a new screen where you can use checkboxes to select exactly which items and digital services you wish to share with your new household member. Finally, click on Send Invitation. Your invited guest will receive an email which they must accept to complete the integration. Once they accept, they will be added to your Amazon household, giving them immediate access to all shared content and benefits. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your Amazon household. By following these instructions, you can easily manage your family's Amazon usage and share perks, making shopping and digital entertainment more convenient for everyone. Remember, if you ever need to update your members or change what you are sharing, you can always return to the household section to make those edits. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.